In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and use appointments on your GoDaddy website step by step so you can start taking bookings, organizing services, and making it easy for visitors to schedule with you right from your site. This is a super useful feature if you run a business, offer consultations, teach classes, or want clients to book time without going back and forth over email. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and business tutorials. Let's start with the first part, which is setting up your appointment service inside GoDaddy. First, go to your official GoDaddy product page and log into your account. Once you're signed in, scroll down to Websites plus Marketing, and next to your website, click Manage. This will take you into your main dashboard where you can control everything for your site. On the dashboard sidebar, look for Appointments, then click Services. This is where you will create the booking options that customers will see on your website. Now click Add Service. GoDaddy will give you a few different service types, and it's important to choose the right one depending on how you want people to book. If you want someone to reserve a one-on-one time slot based on your open calendar availability, choose Appointments. If you're hosting a single seminar, workshop, or even a multi-day event, choose one-time event. And if you offer something that repeats on a schedule, like weekly classes or recurring group sessions, choose repeating events. Picking the correct type helps your bookings stay organized from the beginning. After you choose the service type, fill in the service details. Add a clear title so visitors know exactly what they're booking. Write a simple but helpful description that explains what the appointment is for, and set the duration so clients know how long the session lasts. This step matters because it helps avoid confusion and sets the right expectations before someone books. Next, set the location for the service. You can make it in person if clients will meet you physically, phone if it's a call, or virtual if you're using an integration like Zoom. This is especially useful if you offer consultations or coaching sessions online. Then choose your pricing format. You can make the service free, set a fixed price, or use a custom pricing setup depending on how you want to collect payment. If payments are required, make sure your payment preferences are configured correctly before you move on. When everything looks good, click Save. That creates your service and gets it ready for your booking system. Now, let's move to the second step, which is configuring your availability and booking rules. This is where you control when clients can actually book with you, so you only receive appointments during the hours you're available. In the Appointments menu, go to Settings or Availability. Here, you can define your standard working days, your operational hours, and any break times you want to block out. For example, if you work Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, set those hours so the booking system only shows those time slots. If you take lunch breaks or need time between appointments, add those routine breaks too. This helps prevent overbooking and gives you better control over your schedule. Also, make sure your regional settings are set to the correct local time zone. This is a very important step, especially if you have clients in different regions or if you travel often. A time zone mismatch can lead to missed appointments or confusing booking times, so double check it before you publish anything. If you have a team, you can also go to Staff and add up to 20 team members. Each person can have their own schedule and specialties, which is helpful if your business has multiple service providers or departments. You can also adjust booking info to require phone numbers or add custom intake questions. This is a great way to collect the details you need before the appointment starts, such as what the client needs help with or what kind of service they want. Now let's get to the third step, which is adding the booking section to your website so visitors can actually see it and schedule with you. Go back to your main dashboard and click Edit Website to open the website builder. Once the builder loads, go to the page and the exact position where you want your scheduler to appear. Click Add Section, which is usually the plus icon. In the section library, search for online appointments. You'll find it under the scheduling category. Select the layout style you want, then click Add. One important thing to know is that GoDaddy only allows one appointment section per site, so choose the placement carefully. After you add it, you can customize the design in the right-hand panel. You can adjust the layout, background colors, button text, and other visual details so it matches the rest of your website. This is the part where you make the booking section feel like a natural part of your brand instead of just a basic tool sitting on the page. Once you're happy with the way it looks, click Preview to check everything before going live. Make sure the text is clear, the button works, and the booking flow makes sense from a visitor's point of view. When you're ready, hit Publish to make it live on your website, and that's it. You've now learned how to add and use appointments on your GoDaddy website, set up your services, configure your availability, and publish the booking section for customers to use. If this tutorial helped, Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.